personal pronouns. You. You. Personal pronoun replace a name. Yes, correct. A personal pronouns replace a name. Example: Rahul is my friend and he is my friend. Please tell me what is pronoun and what is noun. Noun is Rahul and pronoun is correct. मराठी नावाऐवजी वापरले जाणारे शब्द इन हिंदी जो शब्द नाम की जगह पे होता है. How many personal pronouns are there and what are they? Please you tell me. I will use the English. There are 7 total pronouns. Yes, correct. There are 7 total pronouns. They are they, we, you, she, it, he, and we. I means me, मला, and in Hindi, मैं, मुझे. Example: I am a student. In मराठी मी विद्यार्थी आहे. In Hindi मैं विद्यार्थी हूँ. Please make one sentence on I. Yes. I am at the scientist of Area 51. Correct. Now next slide is we. Means आम्ही, आम्हाला, हम, हमें. Example: we are dancing. In मराठी आम्ही नाचत आहे. In हिंदी हम नाच रहे हैं. Who tell me one example? We are. Yes. We are reading. Correct. Next slide is you. You means तू, तुला, तुम्हें. Example: you are my friend. In मराठी तू माझा मित्र आहे. In हिंदी तुम मेरे दोस्त हो. Who tell me one sentence on you? You are my best friend. Correct. Next slide is they. They means they, त्याला, वह, वे. Example: they are singing. In मराठी ते गात आहे. In हिंदी वे गा रहे हैं. Who tell me one sentence on they? They watch movie. Correct. They watch movie. Next slide is he. Means तो, त्याला, वह, उसे. Example: he is playing. In मराठी तो खेळत आहे. In हिंदी वह खेल रहा है. Who tell me one sentence on he? He play cricket. They are boys. No. That is on they. He is my best friend. Correct. He is boy. Next slide is she. Means ती, तिला, वह, उसे. Example: she is reading. In मराठी ती वाचत आहे. In हिंदी वह पढ़ रही है. Who tell me one sentence? He play badminton. What? He play badminton. There is she. She is dancing. She is trying to swim 9-10 hours. She is dancing. Now it means ते, त्याला, वह, उसे. And there is one thing that it is used for things and animals. Example: it is cat. In मराठी ते मांजर आहे. In हिंदी वह बिल्ली है. Who tell me one sentence on it? It is dog. It is dog. Yes, correct.